Listen to learn. The original title of the poem, Stanzas Written in a Country Churchyard. He completed the poem when he was living near St. Giles Church, Stocks, Pogus. Started writing the poem in 1742 as a tribute to his close friend Richard West. Number of stanzas 32, 4-line stanzas, written in iambic pentameter, and the rhyme scheme is A B A B. We find three voices in the poem. The first 23rd stanza, we find the voice of a dead youth, then Gray himself, and the hoary headed swain or the countryman. First printed in Magazines of Magazine. This was the poem written with the aim of publication? No. Who circulated and popularized the poem? Horace Walpole. Noteworthy as a poem mourns the death of common men and not of great men. It invokes the classical idea of memento mori, which is a Latin word which means remember that you must die. The curfew tolls the knell. Knell bells are rung at the death of or a funeral. So, in the beginning itself, the mood of a funeral or a death is already set. Which bird intrudes the evening? Owl. The owl complains to the moon about its sorrow. The owl is heard from the ivy mantled tower. The lowing here winds slowly over the sea. Lowing means low moving. Each in the narrow cell ever laid means coffin. What lies beneath the rugged elm? The dead. Other birds mentioned in the poem, cock and sparrow. The first work to appear in print by Thomas Gray is Ode on a Distant Prospect of Eton College, 1747. An ode celebrating Horace Walpole's cat. Ode on the Death of a Favorite Cat, 1748. Ignorance is bliss, its folly to wise, is from the poem Ode on a Distant Prospect of Eton College. His Pindaric odes are The Progress of Poesy, The Bard. Thomas Gray belongs to the Churchyard poets, also called as the Graveyard poets. You will find that these lines are mostly quoted. The curfew tolls the knell of parting day. The lowing herd winds slowly over the sea. The ploughman homeward plods his weary way, and leaves the world to darkness and to me. The paths of glory lead but to grave. And in the epithet last stanza, here rests the head upon the lap of earth, a youth of fortune to fame unknown. Fair signs frowned not on his humble birth, and melancholy marked him for her own. This is from the epitaph. Thank you.